Hey, what's up? Zigzer here. Have you ever accidentally removed a friend on Snapchat and thought it was gone forever? In this video, I'll show you how you can find your deleted friends on Snapchat. Let's go. If you remember the username, simply use the search bar to find and re-add them. This is the most straightforward method, but only works if you know the exact username of your deleted friend. Another thing, Snapchat syncs with your phone's contact list. So if your deleted friend is in your contacts and has a Snapchat account linked to their number, you can easily find and re-add them through the Add Friends feature. This is also a good thing if you have an image of your friend's Snapcode. You can use it to add them back. Just go to Add Friends, tap on the ghost icon on the right side of the search bar, and select the image containing the Snapcode from your photo gallery. Snapchat also has a section for users you've ignored from your Added Me list, which might include deleted friends. You can access this list and potentially find and re-add your friend from there. When you re-add a deleted friend, they will receive a notification that you've added them again. If the user has set their account to not be searchable or has deleted their account, you may not be able to find them using these methods. Lastly, this method involves downloading your Snapchat data from the settings under My Data. To access this data, go to Snapchat account on your browser. You can find the link above or in the description box below. Once signed in, tap on My Data. It includes all the information on your account that you can export. Downloading your Snapchat data can help you find a list of friends you've deleted. When you download your data from Snapchat, it includes a section for Friends, which contains information about current friends, as well as those you've removed or blocked. This process can take a long time to complete. You'll receive an email when your export is done. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.